What's up YouTube? Pete here with my 2018 Subaru STI Stage 3 Cobb. I got my grimmspeef AOS in yesterday and I installed it. A little bit of confusion when I was putting it in because I also am running the Cobb turbo inlet pipe. I did call Cobb and got their opinion on it, and it just, I don't know, it didn't really explain too much more to me, because between their picture, which shows with the front mount intercooler, and the other one is saying, you know, if you're running a top mount, is to go ahead and tee this part here into the top mount intercooler, which, you know, too easy to do. But then I thought about it, I was like, this top mount is putting out dirty air, which is going into your grimmspeef AOS, and also here from your crankcase vent, which I ran around here to this side, is also dirty air. The clean air is actually coming out the center one, so I decided to go ahead and tee into here in the center. Drove it, idles fine, builds boost right on target where it's supposed to be for normal wastegate. So I'm going to run it there for a little while. If you guys have an opinion why this might not work or is a bad idea, go ahead and let me know, and I'll look into it. But to me, that's showing me this is the only clean port that I could run back into the turbo inlet. I do have the Cusco catch can coming in, so basically this line here will go to the top of the Cusco, out, and then back here, and I'll just leave it teed in there because that's where I'm going to get my cleanest air out, because this is the cleaner exit from what I researched and learned. Dirty air in, dirty air in. But that's the way I'm going to run it for now, and if I have any issues, I'll obviously switch it around. But like I said, give me any opinions you have on it. But I'm thinking I'm going to leave it there for a little while, and it just makes the most sense. I'm not having any erratic idle, not losing boost or anything, so I think that's where I'm going to get my cleanest air from. And then should have my Cusco catch can in a day or two, and I'll just easily plumb that in there and run it like that. I don't do any autocross or anything crazy like that. I just like to get on it once in a while, and I think this will be a good setup. Thanks for watching.